It's me, Hassana Khalifa, Hassana Khalifa. Subscribe and like. Here's the video.
On the soft like mochi, don't act like you know me. Call me back or go, bitch. You cannot outsmoke me, and no nigga can't control me. He a trick cereal bow me. He thought he was gonna hold me. Flick my tongue, just call me Yoshi. Got the SWB and leave a nigga weak, and I never been inside.
Oh, what's up, cousins? Welcome to my channel. If you are new, hi, cousin. Hi. Thank you for joining the cult. So, you guys, today it is currently 7:30ish in the morning. I started recording my big haul from Shein. If I post it first, I'll put it right here. You should take a look at that. But if I post this one first, then I won't put it there. Anyway, I started recording last night, and to all my parents, aunties, uncles, guardians, grandparents, y'all know, once you put that baby to sleep, it's over. This is an Amazon bag, but this is my stuff from Shein. I wanted to show y'all my jewelry. First thing I got, this is so freaking cute, and all of this was on sale, huge sale. All of my jewelry was under $2, and so was the lashes and everything else I got. Cute phone case. It's real cute and simple. It's just a curvy green phone case. Pop socket, I think that's what they were called. I only had one of these ever back in the day, so this is really cute. And it has a little mirror. Say hi, cousins. I did do some like retail therapy recently, even though I shouldn't be, but that's just helping me, you guys. I've been really down lately, so, but I'm coming back up. First one I got are these. These lashes are kind of longer than I usually wear. I used to wear extremely long lashes, but I stopped for some reason. I'm about to get back to that because I got some from the hair store. These are so pretty. I keep wearing those. And I also got these. I like when the lash is like separate right here and has a little cluster. Oh my god, so freaking cute. And then I got this that has 5 pair. And then the last ones, this is 6 pairs, so that's 17 pairs of lashes I got for under $5. These are like cat-like lashes. I might wear these today because I like to wear my glasses, and the shorter ones go under my glasses and they look so cute. So I got my nails. I got 2 styles of nails, and these are just some black French tips with the butterfly, like it's like spaceships or something, and then it has like the silver detail. Oh my god, so cute. Cannot wait to try these. And pink nails, French tips with the little hearts. I'm honestly not into I'm not into coffin nails. I like square nails, but we're gonna try these and see. I got these little butterfly gems here. These stickers to put on my nails. I cannot wait to put these on, y'all. The little top coat, come on, hibiscus flower stickers, because that's my favorite thing to go to. I'm very like 90s mom, kind of in my 90s mom area, y'all. I say area. Yeah, the thin brows, the hibiscus nails, you know, that's the kind of stuff I'm into. And I didn't have like earrings and stuff for some reason. When I changed rooms, y'all. I moved my room, and when I changed the rooms, I couldn't find a lot of my stuff anywhere. It's probably in that terrible room there. These little faux diamond heart earrings. This one probably goes in this ear. Let's see. Does it give the same thing? This is cute.
Hi, vlog.
It's not a vlog.
Or
no, you're gonna go clean your room.
okay.
Now, let me finish showing y'all the jewelry. I forgot where I left off, but so this is the necklace that I got. Very cute. So whatever you call this, the charm, the thing that go on the necklace, very nice. It feels very high quality. Next thing I got is this pack of necklaces. It's not just one necklace, like they not all conjoined together. So the first one is this evil eye necklace. This one, it kind of looks like obsidian a little bit. jade stone that looks homemade. This one that is like a choker, and this one is long, and it has this this pendant on it. Very cute. So these are the ones that you would like stack together. Charms. The next thing I got are these golden heart earrings. And I have a lot of holes in my ear, you guys, but I don't wear earrings in them. I have like 5 holes. I got a hole up here, 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 and I got one right here. I be tying my little band. It's probably gonna push my head down. I be tying my band really like tight. Look at that. Very cute. Very stylish, very hip. These are just some like clear little, I don't know what they're called. They're like half hoops. Very cute. Can y'all see? Very cute and see-through. I love these. So I got a bunch of nose rings, and I'm not gonna try these on because I have this nose ring and I don't want to take them in and out. But very cute. So I got the cuffs to match it on the other side. Oh, this came with a lot of cuffs. This one. Very cute. Let me show you all these. This one reminds me of like Sailor Moon a little bit. Like the staffs they had. So some of those were matching the actual nose rings. The next thing I got is some more just little small hoops. They are gold with some faux diamonds in them. These are so cute on. Put that one on. 2 letter rings. One has an H on it for my name, and the other one has my little boo's initial. So cute. And like I said, I feel like my aesthetic is very kind of like 90s-esque. 90s mom-esque, so that is the kind of stuff I'm into. The next thing I got is this thing of necklaces. These are not connected, they're all different, but I'm not gonna take them out because I feel like they're gonna tangle up. But this is honey. These of them fit it, so I might give it to my daughter. These feel a bit like cheaper. It's not heavy or anything like this one. These are obviously a little cheaper. The anklet. It says Brat on it. I broke my last one, so I bought it again. Very cute, and it's very cute on. I love wearing anklets. Anyway, you guys, that's pretty much it. I guess I'll just go ahead and finish getting ready. If you like this video, you like the style of video, go ahead and leave a comment below and like. If you're new, hey cousins, and if you're old, hi cousins. I've been Hassanahkhalifa. Thank you for coming to my channel. Bye cousins.